Hi and welcome back to the Simple Web Start channel, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to add a newsletter page to your website. So first of all you will have to add a sub page. So you'll go to settings and then you'll decide if you want it in this block up here or down in the footer. So let's say, just for example, we're going to add it here. So we'll just need to add the name, and you can actually click this on. You can make it a normal sub page, or you can click any of these. If you add it, and as you can see, it's added it up here. Now if you want to work on this page before you actually see it up here, you can actually then go back to settings, go to where your newsletter page is by clicking this cog here, click that, and then what you can do, you can hide it in the navigation and save changes. And then as you can see, it's not there and it's not live on your website, but you can actually put your newsletter here. Now, as before, what I would do is I would add an header. So I will go to header, scroll down, click there. I would actually delete this. First of all, if we just copy that, do the tick, delete that, yes, make this the new header, paste. I would have it the colour we have it matching the website, and as you can see, it's showing us header 2. So if you click on this, you'll see that your header is changing in size. So that's header 1, and then like I say, you would add your meta description here. But like I say, if you look on the channel, you'll see videos on actually how to add the header, and that will show you how to do that. And then also, if you want, you can go to the plus sign, and if you go to the top and then scroll all the way down to apps and then click on newsletter, this will actually add the newsletter block for you. And if you go here, you can manage the module, and this, like I say, if you've got an image or you want to add your newsletter subject, just here, and then you can add an image and text. If you scroll right down, you will have to add your address. If you're going to put a newsletter on, like I say, you will need your mailing address here. Reason being, that's just what the law is today. So you'll need to add an address. I know I keep saying that, but that will actually stop you getting banned. There's more options here. You click on there, so you can set this up as well. So that's how you do that, and that's the actual newsletter. You can also go to configuration. So again, you've got your email. You can set this up. You can set that up as your footer. This is your first email that you can send out, and again, like I say, you can fill that in. If you go to subscriptions, depending on if they're unconfirmed, you can click on that and it'll show you who has joined your newsletter but hasn't confirmed it, and then you will see confirm just here as well. So that's basically how you set this up, and also you can use these actual links as well. So if we come out of that, I'm going to delete that because I've not got a newsletter at the present minute. And then if you're not happy with the page and you just want to delete that, if you change your mind, you can actually go here click on the bin and you can remove it. So, and then that will take you back to your own page. So that's deleted all that. That's just if you actually want a newsletter added to your website. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and then you'll be kept updated on all the other videos that I'm going to add, or place a comment below.